Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel ServiceNow World Works with It. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful and fastest growing platforms in the world of digital workflow ServiceNow. Here in this video today I want to tell you how to start ServiceNow. I mean, what are the login portals we have to log in, where we can perform these tasks in a practical way to get those learnings, and where we can see some courses inside the ServiceNow platforms only. So let's get started. Before starting that, I just want to know what exactly is ServiceNow. Basically, it's a leading cloud-based platform that helps organizations automate workflows, streamline IT services, manage operations, HR security, so much more. So many we have. So all in one unified system, we can call a service now. So what started this basically what started as an ITSM tool has now evolved into complete enterprise workflow powerhouse. Right now, ServiceNow is booming across so many industries, from Fortune 500 companies to fast growing startups. Organizations everywhere are adopting ServiceNow to digitally transform their operations. The demand for ServiceNow developers, administration, and architects is growing rapidly, I can say, making it one of the most promising career paths in tech industry today. If you are looking to build a strong future proof career, so you can choose ServiceNow as one of your career. Absolutely worth learning it. So now let's talk about how to get started step by step. First, you have to sign in into ServiceNow University. So in Google, just type ServiceNow University, and here you can click to the first link. And I already logged in, so it is showing me with my login sign in. But as you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up and just register, and you will be getting some verification mail back to your email. So just go and click verify email. Then once that is done, boom, your account is created in ServiceNow University. So basically this is a platform where you have complete set of learning, I mean now learning platform, and also practical PDI, personal developer instance. So if you first basically this ServiceNow University is like official learning portal where you can access some structured training, certification paths, and guided courses as well. So just simply create an account, sign in, and you will gain access to fundamental courses like ServiceNow fundamentals, welcome to ServiceNow courses and all. Once that is done, mm, like here in Now Learning, you will be having so many courses which build your base knowledge in ServiceNow. So if you type here I already searched with this, but let me search welcome to ServiceNow is the first course you have to go through, where you can cover uh, I'll just show you. Yeah, this is a welcome to ServiceNow. Just click on this. I guess I have already enrolled. Okay. I just clicked on start. Maybe for you it may shows you like enroll or start. Anything you just click. If there is any terms and condition, accept that. Check that, and just enroll into that course. So once you enter into that course, there it will show you request lab instance, and left side panel you will be having those modules what to check for. And here if you go one by one, if you see here, next experience, navigation and access lesson. So here what it will show is, if you click here like request lab instance on the top, it will give you one instance. It's like a dummy instance or something where you can perform all these things what the course is showing you. So if I sorry for the disturbance, if I click here like start course, uh, yeah, if you see here, first when you enter into the like, let me click here better, let me open this. Yeah, if I click open my instance, let it open. It will take some like few seconds. Okay, let it open. So here you can see, right, next experience unified navigation. That means if you enter into this portal, where to navigate, what to search here, what we have to like put that in favorites. So history, what you are already searched, those will be shown in the history section. So if you go here in the all, there will be many modules showing here, right? So you don't know what module gives you what, right? So here you have to go through that course. It will show you some basic steps to perform to personalize your instance and common user interfaces, useful resources. And if you go here in the second section or second lesson, if you see here list and filter lesson, right? Once if we click on the start course of this list and filter lesson, it will show you like uh, what are the tables. See, right? Yeah, if you see on here, it will, this is a basically the table view, I mean list view of the table, where we can see if you click on that navigation or that icon we call as list controls. If you click here, this select all list item, if you want to select all list items, it will be like showing. So these things you want to know before working, before starting working in ServiceNow only. So these things you can go through in this. If you want to I mean do in a practical way, if you see here list and filter task, right, it will give you task description and task instructions. For example, if you see here task instructions, navigate to all menu and select incidents all. If I go back to the instance which I opened from the course, it is telling to go to this all module. I just clicked here, okay, and it is telling to type incidents. If you see here under incident I have all, right? It is telling me to go this, go to here. So I just gone, right? And it is asking me select show or hide filter, I mean the funnel icon. If you go here, this is the funnel icon, right? So I like without that course you cannot know which is funnel icon, what this list control thing, what this checkbox is called to select, what are this gear icon. If we this is a personalized list we can, and we even call gear icon where we can like customize our columns to showcase in the list. So these things you have to go through this one of complete inside the course, and then only you are able to navigate wherever you want in the portal. And second thing is the PDI. So basically this is the instance, personal developer instance. But if you see in the URL, this will be like lab, only for the lab case it will be like useful for. In case if you want to play around and if you want to customize your own use cases, you need one personal developer instance for you, like, right? So in like Google, just type developer instance ServiceNow. Okay, if I click here on the first link, so here also, as you are new to this developer instance as well, here also you have to sign up. Okay, then you have to click here start building, or if you want to know so if you click on this start building, it will navigate to basically this. I already like logged in. So here what it will do is, it will give you all the instance details, like your instance URL, username, and current password. So these things, like whenever you want to perform some actions or something, what you learned in the now learning courses, right? You can do these things in practical way in your personal developer instance. Basically it's your own tool, your own use cases, you can develop here. So just click on this, and just try to save this username and current password, so that whenever you open this, you can log in your own instance, so that it will not expire, or those things. I mean, after 10 days unusage of this URL or this thing instance, it will expire. You can request for other instance, but that instance URL, username, and current passwords will be changing, because the you are requesting for other instance, which your previous instance is already expired. So try to be like active for at least, I mean, just open login at least daily, once in a daily, so that it will not expire. You can use that same instance forever. So yeah, this is a pretty much I want to like tell you for this. So you got what is PDI and what is now learning, right? So this, I just want to give you just overview of PDI. So this ServiceNow environment, basically it's a free, like you can use this for this instance for a free ServiceNow environment in the cloud, a really fully functional instance where you can practice, build applications, create workflows, configure forms, write business rules, and experiment without like any risk, right? In a practical way, like when you work in a organization, there will be a risk when you are performing any actions. So we used to work in a sub dev or child dev instances, not in the production instances. But here we don't have any risk, so you can directly play around it. So it's basically your personal lab. You as you sign in, you just click on the request instance and log in. Like within minutes your ServiceNow environment is ready. So this is where learning becomes hands on, I can say. Now the now learning is also like you can track your learning progress complete. I'll show you here. Let me go back to here. See my learning playlist, sorry, these things. And once you complete this, you will be earning badges, certifications, where you can post in LinkedIn, so that so many colleagues or friends reach out to you for maybe professional help or anything, right? So now just combine now learning with your personal developer instance, and you have the perfect setup to master service now. So to summarize, ServiceNow is not just a like tool, so it's career accelerator, I feel. So there are massive opportunities. Just like go with the trend. I say like go where growth potential is unlimited, right? So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ServiceNow tutorials. Let's grow and learn together. Thank you.